Hello everyone! Today we're going to travel together to Paris. So it's been a very unusual summer for most of us, either stuck at home or had to cancel or change vacation plans. Or maybe you've always wanted to go and never had the time or the money. So here is the opportunity to discover Paris through my eyes from the comfort of your sofa. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the movie. Here we're going to skip the usual monuments like the Eiffel Tower or the Champs-Élysées that you can find in a guidebook. And instead, we're going to get on a boat and do a river cruise. A cruise on the Seine. And this cruise can take different aspects whether you do it during daytime or nighttime. Every time you're going to discover another Paris. My favorite one being at night because it is called the City of Lights for a reason. But let's go back in time where it all started, in the very center of Paris, close to Notre-Dame. Finishing this short cruise here at what still is my favorite monument in Paris, Notre-Dame. And now that we're thirsty, let's go for a drink on one of these Parisian terraces before enjoying dinner at the terrace as well. Maybe some fish with some nice green vegetable, nice casserole, or chocolate pie. Or maybe just go on a market and pick up your own food, your own chocolate from a wide selection in the grocery store. Or visit a French patisserie, enjoy and pick up your own entree and your own desserts. After all this good food, let's go for a digestive walk through the streets of Paris, wander around, enjoy the shops, the art galleries. And when it comes to the evening, look at the sunset from one of these monuments, either at the Louvre or to the Sacré-Cœur. Enjoy the view. If you get the chance to see it from a rooftop, it is beautiful as well. If you enjoyed the movie, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.